Tired of slow connections and constant buffering? The Cat7 Gigabit Ethernet cable promises faster, more reliable internet speeds that keep you connected without interruption. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming online, or transferring large files, this cable handles it all with ease. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, high-speed performance. I switched to the Cat7 Ethernet cable after struggling with flaky connections on older cables. Right away, I noticed the difference. Its advanced shielding and precise wire twisting reduce interference and crosstalk, which means cleaner signals and fewer dropouts. The flat design makes it easy to route under carpets or along walls without the usual cable clutter. Plus, the gold-plated connectors with tri-chip technology ensure a stable, high-speed link every time I plug in. It feels like a premium upgrade from the generic cables I used before. This cable supports bandwidths up to 1000 MHz and data speeds reaching 10 gigabits per second, so it's ready for the most demanding setups. It's compatible with everything from routers and modems to gaming consoles like PS4 and Xbox, making it a versatile choice for any network. If you want a cable that delivers both speed and durability without the hassle, the Cat7 Gigabit Ethernet cable is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your connection and enjoy a seamless online experience.